Hi, it's Max from Sympli, and I'm going to show you how to use Sympli plugin for Xcode. After you're done with installation and restarted Xcode, you will be prompted to load the code bundle, which is not signed by Apple, and to proceed using plugin, you'll need to accept loading of that bundle. And after you start Xcode, you can find Sympli plugin in the top toolbar right here. Collaboration in Sympli is built around projects, and once your design team sends you invitation link to the project, you can either accept it in our web app or you can copy and paste it here, so the project will appear in your projects list. And let me tell you a little bit more about what the project is. So project contains the list of the designs that can be sorted by different fields, and they can be also filtered by name. And also project contains a summary. Summary is a list of the colors used in all designs within the project and the list of the fonts which is used in all designs within the project. Let's open Design Browser and see what we can do there. In the Design Browser, you can click through every single element of the mockup and get detailed information about it. And by detailed information, I mean information about dimensions, effects like shadows, borders, inner shadows, fills, gradient fills for text layers, its font families, its text size, text alignment, basically pretty much everything you need to implement the design in your app. And you can in Design Inspector you can also measure the distance between elements. To do that, you need to hold Shift button and select second element you want to measure the distance to. Another option on how to measure the distance is a ruler tool, which can be dropped into custom position, and all measurements then will be relative to the ruler. At the bottom of the screen you can find a list of the assets provided with this design, and when you click elements in this list, corresponding design element gets highlighted, so you can map parts of the design to actual file names, which is very handy when you see the design for the first time. And also Sympli provides a very nice way of merging assets into the asset catalog in your project. So you can select which catalog to use, and it will visually show you what kind of pictures do you have in your catalog in your project, and what it's gonna look like after you import assets from the design. Also, if you want to rename assets, pictures on the fly, you can create a mapping, and Sympli will save the file by this new name. And the good thing about it is that Sympli remembers this mapping, and next time you get updates for this particular asset, Sympli will pick it up automatically. The next tab is the colors, colors palette. This is a list of the colors which are used in this design, and you can copy them into the clipboard, and here you can switch the dialect you want to use. It's either Objective-C or Swift. Next tab is a list of the fonts used in this particular design, and also you have option to browse through the original layers hierarchy in the same way it's arranged in the original design document, which could be sometimes handy. Let me show you how you can save some time on design implementation using Sympli plugin. With Sympli plugin you can apply properties from design to views in Interface Builder, and it works for position, dimensions, images, and also it works for the text labels, so you can apply you can apply position, dimensions, text for the text labels, text styling, text color, and also you can apply runtime effects, which are not displayed in the interface builder, but will be displayed once you run your application in simulator or on actual device. Also, you can drag styles to your views while you hold Control button. That will apply images to the buttons and all necessary styling to the other views. So another option is to drag elements from the design directly into Interface Builder, and this will create either plain views or text labels for you, which is very convenient at the phase when you are just start to build the interface for your app. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you have any questions on how to use Sympli plugin for Xcode, please shoot us an email at contact@sympli.io. Follow us on Twitter, and have a good one.